You don't really need a digital cutting machine to use Expressions vinyl. I'm going to show you how to make some cute fall decor without using a digital cutting machine. I found this wood to-go cup shape at the dollar store, and I am just tracing it on the back of my PSL Lovers patterned vinyl. This is part of the October mystery box. Then I'm just using a pair of scissors to cut the vinyl to shape. To make the lid, I am just tracing the top of the shape onto the coffee PSV vinyl and cutting that out with my scissors as well. I placed the vinyl onto the wooden shape and smoothed it out in place. Then I added the brown vinyl as the lid. I cut a 1.5-inch strip of dark beige vinyl to be the coffee cup sleeve. Next, I cut out 2 circles, one slightly larger than the other, to be the logo on the to-go cup. You can use any shape you want on the to-go cup label. I did cut this pumpkin out with a digital cutter, but you can also draw a shape and cut it out by hand. I think a heart would be super cute for this design. It's a super easy way to make some fall home decor.